So I just thought I would do a follow-up video on the firmware testing that I did yesterday and the problems that I kind of ran into when I was testing the 01000600, which I thought was a new firmware. But it turns out, by the help of you guys, that I got to know that this was actually not a new one. This has been around for a while. It's been around since late April. But when I did the testing, I noticed with this drone that I had some issues with focus. And many of you were concerned, or at least a few of you were concerned, if this was caused by the firmware. And I can tell you with almost certainty it's not. So if you see here, if I try to zoom in here, see? It actually seems sharp now. So what I've done now is that I have, before I launched the drone, I went in here and I basically did like a gimbal calibration. I can't do this while the drone is airborne, but I did a gimbal calibration to make sure that everything is like it's supposed to be. And as far as I can see on the screen right now, somehow it fixed itself. I also played around with, to make sure that I don't crash it. So I also made sure that, let's just double check here if it's actually still sharp. It seems like it, at least from the interface here that I can see. It seems that it's the footage is sharp. I messed around here with playing a little bit around with the manual focus here. You can see all the red indicators on the screen. That's something that's called manual focus peaking. And that basically shows on the UI that the areas of the footage that is in focus. And that seems pretty nice. So let's just back it a little bit away here. I was further away yesterday when I did it, but still, it keeps everything in focus as it is right now. So this is with the manual focus option, and if I just put it in autofocus and hold down the button here, you see that I can mess around. And this was what we saw yesterday, that it was kind of blurry and out of focus, and no matter what I did, so when I zoomed in, and if I pressed the screen, it would not really focus. But if I put it in autofocus as it is right now, and the manual focus again, oops, back it away, you can see by the red indicators. It's not really that visible right now, I don't know why. So I need to zoom out to the full scale here so you can see that everything is in focus. Ooh. And we need to not crash into the tree here in the garden. It's very windy today, as it was yesterday, so I need to be a little bit careful what I do. And if I stay here safely tucked behind the trees, you shouldn't get into problems. To a victory round. We'll check here and see. Put it in autofocus again. See. I don't know. I will see once I edit the video if this is sharp or not, but it does look sharp to me here. So I can definitely confirm that this was some sort of, I don't know, temporary issue with the drone. Okay. I just wanted to make sure that you know that this is not firmware related. I don't think it is. But this is related to my specific drone. And I'm asking for trouble here. You will see, if I turn it this way, you see there's a big tree with a lot of branches. But as far as I can see, everything is like it's supposed to be now. Let's do a little turn around here. So if you have not been living on a rock like I have apparently for the last 1.5 months, then you should definitely have no concerns installing the 01000600. Now look at those. Oh, that's beautiful flowers. I love roses. Look at those. Let's just zoom in. See, that was another thing that we saw yesterday. It simply, if I pressed the screen, it tried to focus for a short second, but nothing happened. So, but that part seems to work out very nicely as well. The other comments that I got from the previous video, if there is a ceiling on top of how high you can fly the drone in the EU with 120 meters. This is not affected if you're using the DJI RC, as there's no new DJI Fly app available for this controller when shooting this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.